Action.
Hello everybody, my name is George Milne and I'm a member of team number 2 for the EML 4501 project number 1. My team members are Mauricio Rodriguez, John Valdes, and Robert Santis. And the topic we elected to present on is smart car technology. We will give you a brief overview of what smart car technology is and how it is being implemented today and how it will be in the future. What is smart technology? This term is thrown around nowadays very often due to rapid advances in technology. Smartphones, smart TVs, and smart homes are just a few of the ones we hear about every day. Essentially, smart technology refers to a software or device that can function with little or no human interaction. In today's world, we're always looking for ways to be more efficient and productive, and smart technologies have a broad range of applications to help with that. A smart car is one that has capabilities that release the driver from making as many decisions. Very generally, it's a car with advanced electronics. Although we might not be aware of it, microprocessors, for example, have been used in engines and drivetrains since the 1960s in order to improve stability and comfort. Mauricio will now talk to you about the present smart car technologies.
Thank you, George. I will now present examples of some of the smart technology we see in cars today. First, we see that cars can tell us if anything is wrong with its systems using sensors. Different sensors can tell us things like if the pressure of our tires are low or if it's time to change the oil. Also, there are even sensors for more general problems like check the engine light. Next, we look at the wireless capabilities in modern cars. We can communicate externally in our car by syncing our phones for hands-free calls or internally by syncing our MP3s for music. Another example is the system called OnStar. OnStar is able to communicate with our cars and send help to our location when we get into an accident. Even now, sometimes we don't even put a key in our cars because we have remote controls that can not only lock our cars but start them wirelessly as well. Finally, there is smart technology that can assist with our driving. Cars nowadays come standard with a GPS navigation to help us find the best route to our destination. Some cars even have reverse and safe distance sensing capabilities to keep our cars safe. However, as John will tell you now, new smart concepts are being researched for the future to improve our driving experience.
I'll be talking about future technology, the windshield display, self-parking, communication, smart fuel safety, and driverless cars. What is windshield display? There's a system called head system display. It can project information on your windshield. It can tell you where to turn, notify you of a lane marking, identify how close the car in front of you is, and even give you restaurant information all right in front of your eyes. Self-braking collision is broken down into city safety and collision warning system. The collision warning system uses a camera, laser, and software in the vehicle will stop to avoid a collision. The system under 20 miles per hour can avoid crashes completely, but their goal is to minimize the impact and therefore reduce injury. The city safety for slower speeds through the city street. If you're too close to the vehicle in front, the system will start braking for you, and a red LED light will appear on the windshield. Communications. Cars will be able to communicate with roads. The vehicles will be able to communicate with everything in the route. Vehicle will transmit their actual traveling speeds to highway infrastructure, pedestrians, and cars through a dedicated short-range communication. The vehicle will begin to slow down if there's any congestion up ahead. Smart fuel and safety tips. The vehicle will get information from your speed, your distance, and gas stations around direct you to where the lowest gas prices are during your route. The driverless car. The vehicle will program to your destination. You will then load into your vehicle and it will drive without any need of steering. No one will have to stay up during those long trips. So in conclusion, we can see that the smart technology has developed into something that many of us probably never seen imagined years ago. However, we may see that due to the potential high cost, these new advancements may not be readily available to the public market. But with the current pace of technology, we can hope that many of the amazing features may become available for all to us as we step forward into the bright new tomorrow.